Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics, we are in complex numbers. We have finished 3 classes. Total 15 questions we have finished. In this today's class, we will try to finish 5 more questions from question number 16 to 20. Okay, see, let us see what they have given in question number 16. A value of theta for which 2 plus 3 sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary. See, one complex number is purely imaginary means what? Say x plus iy or a plus ib will be there, complex number z. A plus ib means that ib is going to become 0. Only real part will be there. Sorry, real part a will be 0, only ib will be there. Okay, 0 plus ib or 0 plus iy, like that, purely imaginary. Imaginary part is existing, real part is 0, like they are mentioning. They are asking us to find value of theta. Okay, value of theta they are asking. Let us find. This question is asked in JEE, Joint Entrance Examination, IIT JEE 2016 question. Okay, and 4 answers they have given. Let us see what answer is going to come under. Okay, see, we have to rationalize. We don't have any other option. Z is equal to this one, then you rationalize it. Okay, see what I am doing. 2 plus 3 sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta into 1 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 plus 2i sin theta. What we are doing? We are rationalizing. Rationalization means conjugate of denominator. Denominator is 1 minus 2i sin theta, 1 plus 2i sin theta. You multiply numerator and denominator, that is going to be called as rationalization. Let us do 2 plus 4i sin theta, 4 sin theta I, then 3 sin theta plus 3 sin theta, then you see 3 sin theta into 6. See, 6i. I think I should be there. I have forgotten. 2 plus 3i sin theta. Yes. See, a small mistake happened. 2 plus 3i sin theta. You please correct it. 3i sin theta. Okay. 2 plus 3i sin theta. Okay. Now we will proceed. See, okay, 3i sin theta okay, then 6i square sin square theta plus 6i square sin square theta. Okay, this will be numerator. Then what about denominator? A square minus b square, but I is there. A square plus b square, or I we will omit. 1 square plus 2 square sin square theta. 2 square sin square theta. Okay, this will be what we can say, complex number rationalization we are doing. You see here, I square value is minus 1, minus 6 sin square theta. You add with 2, that is equal to 2 minus 6 sin square theta. I square value is 1, minus 6 it is going to make, minus 6 sin square theta, minus 6 sin square theta. This is 4i sin theta, 3i sin theta, plus I 7 sin theta. Okay, 4 sin theta, 3 sin theta, 7 sin theta, I. Okay, now this one. Okay, that you cannot do anything. Okay, you see, I am making like this. You see, 1 plus 4 sin square theta, again this also 1 plus 4 sin square theta. This is the complex number, final complex number. Okay, now we have to find theta value. How we are going to find theta value? You see here, purely imaginary means real part is 0. Real part of z is equal to 0 implies this is equivalent to 0. 2 minus 6 sin square theta equal to 0. Actually divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta also I have tried, but anyway this is going to multiply with 0, it is going to become 0. Some steps we will omit. Why? Because we are doing Eamcet examination, competition examination, means we have to reduce steps also. You see here, 2 is equal to 6 sine square theta. Okay, 2 is equal to 6 sine square theta means what will happen? Sine square theta is equal to 2 by 6 or sine theta is equal to 1 by root 3. See, 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 sine square theta means sine theta is 1 by root 3. See, you may ask plus or minus 1 by root 3 we can write, but it depends on the complex number. If complex number is plus finally, then minus will not come. That is one point. Another point, theta what you are going to write, you see, I am going to explain. Sine inverse of 1 by root 3. In answer, any minus is there, negative symbol, then why you are taking minus? You did not take. That is logical, you have to think. Okay? Sine inverse 1 by 3 is not there, here is there. Then you put this. That's all. This is your answer. Let us go for 17th question. Okay, see 17th question. In arched plane, the quadrant in which this complex number lies. By seeing this complex number directly we cannot tell. Why? Because this is not in the form of a plus ib or x plus iy. That means you bring this in x plus iy form, then we can decide whether this lies in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant. See, both real part and imaginary parts are positive means first quadrant. Both real part and imaginary parts are negative means both negative, then it is third quadrant. If real part is negative and imaginary part is positive means second quadrant. Real part is positive but imaginary part is negative means fourth quadrant. Like that we can decide. Let us see what will happen now. First to find this number. See how I am finding. Z is equal to, rationalization you have to do. You don't have any other option. Z is equal to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. Rationalization with conjugate of denominator, multiplication of numerator and denominator. That is called rationalization. Okay. See, 1 plus 2i into 1 plus I. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into I plus 2i into 1, 2i plus 2i into I, 2i square plus 2i square divided by, okay, this is simple, 1 square plus 1 square, that's all. Okay? See, 2i square gives minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. I plus I, 3i. 1 plus 1, 2. What is the complex number? Complex number is z is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2i. Now you tell me, real imaginary part is positive, real part is negative. See, like this it will be. Real part is negative. Here minus 1 by 2 will be there. Imaginary part is positive. 3 by 2 will be there. What is this quadrant? Second quadrant, that's all. Second quadrant. Okay? That is the answer. Take this, we'll go for 18th question. Okay, see, question number 18. The amplitude of sine pi by 5 plus I into 1 minus cos pi by 5 is. See, if it is in CIS form, directly pi by 5 like that we can mention, but this is not in a CIS form. SIC form or something is there. Even here also 1 minus cos pi by 5 is there. See, such number comes means we don't have any other option. We are having one thing. If z is, I am writing, you see. How to find amplitude? Amplitude means what? Theta. Amplitude means theta. See, if z is equal to a plus ib, theta is equal to tan inverse of b by a. This is the formula we know very well. Tan inverse of b by a plus ib, a plus ib. That means this is b, this is a. Then what I am doing, you see, observe carefully. Theta is equal to tan inverse of, what is b? 1 minus cos pi by 5 divided by What is a sin pi by 5? That is equal to tan inverse of, see 1 minus cos pi by 5, shall I write 2 sin square pi by 10 directly? Why? Because 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin square theta by 2. Okay? 2 sin square theta by 2 means 10 will come. Okay? Write down here also. You see, this is numerator. What about denominator? Sin pi by 5. Sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. Sin a, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. That's all. 2 going to get cancelled. 1 square is going to get cancelled. Sin by cos 10 will come. You see, tan inverse of sin pi by 10 by cos pi by 10. Okay? What will be the sin pi by 10? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 10. Tan inverse of tan going to get cancelled with each other. Theta is equal to pi by 10. Okay? Take this, we'll go for 19th question. See question number 19. If z is equal to x plus iy, complex number, z square is equal to I conjugate z whole square. I into conjugate. See, you have to make conjugate and multiply with I, then you square whole. Both are equal, like they are mentioning. Then they are asking what are the value. If y is equal to plus or minus x by root 3, or y is equal to plus or minus x, or y is equal to plus or minus x by z, or x is equal to 0, y is equal to plus or minus 1, they are asking which option is correct. Like this question is asked in Eamcet 2018. Okay. Let us proceed. See, z square, LHS, RHS both you continuously do and equate it, then you are going to get any one value. Z square means what? X plus iy whole square is equal to I into, what is z bar? Z bar. X minus iy. X minus iy. Why? Because conjugate of z. Whole square is also there. Okay? Comma I am keeping. Okay, you see, x square plus I square y square plus 2ixy. Okay? This is LHS side. RHS side also you see. So afterwards you have to make square. First you send inside. See, minus I square y plus ix. Plus ix minus I square y. I into I square y minus. Okay? Then you square this. Okay? Okay, wait. See, this side I square value is minus 1. X square minus y square. Plus I 2xy. Okay, this side LHS. RHS you see. I square value is minus 1. Minus or minus plus. That means y plus ix. Y plus ix whole square. Comma I am keeping. See, this side is over, but this side you have to do still. Write down. X square minus y square plus I 2xy is equal to a square plus b square, I square, x square. I square, x square plus 2ab plus I 2xy. Okay? Now see, while comparing, I think I2xy, both are going to get cancelled out. This you don't need to compare. But x square minus y square is equal to, see, I square is going to give again minus value y square minus x square. Write down RS. See, one more step I am writing. X square minus y square is equal to y square minus x square. Okay? X square minus y square is equal to y square minus x square. Okay. How can you write x plus 1 both sides are going to get cancelled? That is different thing. Or else I will do one thing. X square this side you bring 2x square is equal to 2y square. Okay? Then 2 going to get cancelled. X square is equal to y square. Now see, in terms of y they have given, I will take y. Y is equal to plus or minus x. Is it correct or not? You tell me. Y square is equal to x square means y is equal to plus or minus x. Okay? Second option is correct. Okay? Take this. We will go for last question, 20th question. Okay. See, question number 20. If ABC are non-zero real numbers, that means ABC are real numbers. C is not equal to 0. Okay? Why? Because C, if it is equal to 0, C is not equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, automatically this is going to become undefined. 1 minus 1 is 0. That is why that rule they have mentioned. Such that a square plus b square plus c square is equal to c. You see, both c are same. Here c square, here c. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to c. And if alpha is equal to a plus ib by 1 minus c, this is a complex number. Why? Because a by 1 minus c, b by 1 minus c, a plus I, b. Like that they have given. Then they are asking what is the value of a square plus b square. Like that they are asking. You see, 4 options they have given. But if I write that 4 options, both is not going to fit. Okay? Directly I am doing this. Let us see how answer is going to come under. Okay? See, this I am taking and applying mode both sides. You see what I am doing. Alpha is equal to a plus ib by 1 minus c. You see, when you are doing applying modulus, real number modulus is same. That is why you need not apply. You can keep like that only. You see, applying modulus on both sides. Modulus of alpha is equal to a plus ib, a square plus b square under root by 1 minus c. Why? Because see, denominator is real number. Real number you need not apply any modulus. You apply only for this complex number. Again, you square both sides. Again, see, modulus of alpha square is equal to a square plus b square by 1 minus c whole square. Now you have to square even denominator also. If you square, root will go away, but here is there. Okay. Next step what I am doing, I am adding 1 both sides plus 1. You see, 1 plus modulus of alpha square is equal to a square plus b square by 1 minus c whole square plus 1. Okay? See, LHS, let it be like this only. Or else once again I am writing 1 minus 1 plus alpha whole square is equal to, you cross multiply a square plus b square plus 1 minus c whole square divided by 1 minus c whole square. That is equal to, okay? Now see, 1 plus alpha whole square I am keeping like this only. Modulus, that is equal to a square plus b square plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2c by 1 minus c whole square. Okay? Again a square plus b square plus c square you can make and add. See, 1 plus modulus alpha whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 1 minus 2c divided by 1 minus c whole square. Okay? Okay. We know a square plus b square plus c square means what? C. C minus 2c, write down. 1 plus alpha modulus whole square is equal to c minus 2c plus 1 by 1 minus c whole square. Is it okay? A square plus b square c minus 2c. 1 minus c. 1 plus alpha modulus square is equal to 1 minus c by 1 minus c whole square. 1 plus modulus alpha square is equal to, see, 1 square is going to get cancelled, 1 by 1 minus c. 1 by 1 minus c. Okay? C, 1 minus c value we will take, and we will take even what we can say, c value also. Both value we will take. Why? Because a square plus b square you require a square plus b square. Okay? How I am doing? You see, observe carefully. Why? Because c value is a square plus b square plus c square means 1 by c value, that both values you require. You wait. What will happen and all you see. Let me see board how much it is coming. Okay, one more line I can write. I am writing one more line and observe carefully. See, 1 minus c will be how much? 1 by 1 plus modulus of alpha square. Okay, c, 1 minus c value. You keep this also helpful. But again, c value I am finding. C is equal to 1 minus c, write down. C is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus modulus of alpha square. C is equal to 1 plus modulus of alpha square minus 1 divided by 1 plus modulus of alpha square. Okay, that means plus 1 minus 1 going to get cancelled. C is equal to modulus of alpha square by 1 plus modulus of alpha square. Okay, what is C? C is a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, stop and pause and note down, and 2 more steps I am removing, and let me see. Why? Because see, this relation is required. That is why red and blue I am removing. Okay. Okay, see, C is equal to this thing they have given, but C is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Then what about a plus b square? C square minus, right now, you see, a square plus b square, this value they are asking, is equal to c minus c square. That means a square plus b square is equal to c, if you take common, 1 minus c. C minus c square. Okay, this value you want. You see, c value you are having, 1 by c value also you are having. You multiply, that's all. Okay, write down. That is equal to c into 1 minus c. C is modulus of alpha square divided by 1 plus modulus of alpha square into multiplication. 1 minus c value, 1 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus modulus of alpha square. See, both denominators matched means this is not LCM. Why? Because multiplication. Addition subtraction means LCM. Multiplication means square you have to do. This is only one means. Okay, write down. Now final result I am writing. You see, a square plus b square is equal to modulus of alpha square divided by 1 plus modulus of alpha square again whole square. Why? Because this is 2 times multiplication. Okay, this is answer for this question. Okay, now we will stop this class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.